Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best Nutribullet blender is Nutribullet ZNBF 30500Z blender. The Nutribullet combo blender is our one for all option that is a super capable, super flexible blender that makes everything from simple smoothies to savory soups and beyond. Its high capacity 64 Oz pitcher is the ultimate countertop titan, while its portable travel cups keep you nourished on the go. Our blades, cups and pitcher are designed to work together for optimal nutrient extraction, turning ordinary food into superfood. With 900 watts of power, the Pro is faster and stronger than the original, but just as simple to use. Load it up with dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and kale. Then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Optimized 900-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend the toughest whole foods into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butters. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. Number 2 in our side is Nutribullet RX Personal Blender. With 1700 watts of power, the Nutribullet RX is our most powerful nutrient extracting blender. It's got an extra-large blending cup and a vented pitcher, plus it's the only Nutribullet with a heating function to make warm soups and sauces. With its 1700-watt motor and large capacity accessories, the Nutribullet RX is designed for optimum nutrient extraction. It also couldn't be simpler to use. Just fill it up with your favorite ingredients, drop the cup or pitcher on the motor base, and watch as it starts, blends and stops all on its own. The Nutribullet RX can handle just about any tough ingredient. Makes smoothies for the whole family in its large capacity cups, or puree warm soups and sauces out of the freshest, most nutritious ingredients with its heated blend cycle and pitcher attachment. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cup, pitcher and lids in the top rack of the dishwasher. Third in our best Nutribullet blender list is Nutribullet NBF 50520 Smart Touch Blender. The Nutribullet Smart Touch Blender is a fantastic new Nutribullet product. It will most likely replace the Nutribullet combo. They perform the same functions, but the most recent one is a little smarter. It comes with a deep black glossy touchscreen interface. I would not mistake it for a low-cost blender. It's elegant, but it's also extremely affordable. You can use it to make traditional smoothies as well as recipes with a thicker consistency. It can also be used to crush ice, make nut butter, baby food, soups, and nut milk, among other things. Take control over your culinary creations with 3 speeds and pulse control, or use an intelligent program if you need an assist. The choice is yours. The high-capacity vented pitcher is ready to blend sweet or savory ingredients into the silkiest of soups. It also has a locking lid and easy R spout. It's pitcher perfect. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Nutribullet Pro 1000 Personal Blender. The professional series blender is the Nutribullet Pro 1000. Because of a few usability improvements, it has been named the best Nutribullet blender. The blade base is now easier to assemble and disassemble, and the lip ring accessory has been removed from the cup. The Nutribullet Pro 1031 Oz blender has tremendous pulverizing power. It has powerful blades and excellent nutrient extraction capabilities, making it an excellent choice for purees, smoothies, and juice. This blender uses cyclonic action to extract ingredients and crush them quickly and effectively. It has a nice metal gray base that adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. The pitcher on this device, on the other hand, is too small for large batches. Because the pitcher has a tight lid, it can be used as a smoothie cup on the go. It is ideal for frozen fruits and ice. The blades, like the cup and lid, are removable and dishwasher safe. We appreciate this blender's sturdy non-slip base, which provides stability while blending. Because this device is small, it can be easily transported. Last in this list is Nutribullet Go Portable Blender. The Nutribullet Go cordless blender comes in 4 amazing colors, including black, white, silver and red, and is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and all of your simple blending needs. A cordless blender for life on the go. 70W motor base and 2000 mAh offers up to 20 blending cycles before needing to be recharged. This blender has a strong drive system and heavy-duty blades for quickly making smoothies and protein shakes. The device is small enough to be transported easily. The features of the Nutribullet Go blender will appeal to health enthusiasts who want to prepare moderate amounts of superfoods. The blender has a medium-sized pitcher that allows you to prepare a sufficient supply of meals for immediate consumption and storage. This Nutribullet blender's powerful 70W motor provides enough power to handle thick ingredients. The stainless steel finish on the blender adds a touch of class to any room. It does, however, lack custom speeds and presets. Let's watch more.